You are looking for the best and easy way you can prepare your butter bread, then you are the right place. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. This was very easy to put together, and trust me, you will love it as a beginner or if you have been doing bread for some time now. Thank you so much. Without wasting much of your time, we will get straight to today's activity. So in my mixing bowl here, I have my 2 cups of water that is warm. Okay, so should you want to use milk, make sure it is warm milk because of the yeast we want to activate. Now I added a tablespoon of yeast and then a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it very well and then we are good to go. So we will put this in a warm place for some time, and you can see the bubble on top. It means your yeast is active. That is actually dry active yeast. If you are using instant yeast, you don't have to go through that process, but you have to add all your ingredients and then mix. Okay, now I have added my all-purpose flour. In all, we are going to use 5 cups of all-purpose flour. So that is what I have added to the mixing bowl. I hope you get it. The first one was 2 cups, second one was 2 cups, and then the one I've just added is a cup of flour. Mix it very well and then you are good to go. I believe you understand it. Now I went ahead to add a pinch of salt, okay, to it. I'll then go ahead and then add my nutmeg. That is a teaspoon of nutmeg. Add it to it. You can use cinnamon, you can use any flavor, or you can do it without any of them, and you'll get that perfect outcome. I'll go ahead and then add sugar. So let me explain here. In all, okay, we are using 1/3 cup of sugar. That is where I took a tablespoon from to activate the yeast. So in all, with this recipe, we are using 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar, you can use anything that you want to use. Okay, you can just go ahead and then do so. So I will just go ahead and then add some butter to it and then mix it very well. If you want to use margarine, you can go ahead and then use margarine. Okay, so I will mix it to form a dough, or to get that dough-like result before we proceed. Now I am done mixing everything, and this is what I have. Okay, we will just transfer this to the working surface and then we will knead the dough. When kneading the dough, I prefer adding the butter to the dough and then knead it. Okay, add it to it bit by bit than to add everything at once. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. I will add it to it, knead the dough very well, and then add again. In all, we are going to use half stick of butter. Okay, we will use half stick of butter. I divided the dough into 2 equal parts, and then I kneaded the other part, and then I kneaded it bit by bit. Okay, and now I have added it to the one I was kneading. I've added some of the butter. I'll go ahead and then knead the dough so I get that soft texture we are looking for. I hope you get it. Make sure you knead the dough very well to get that perfect outcome. Okay, if the dough is not well kneaded, trust me, you will not get that perfect bread you are looking for. So make sure you knead the dough very well. We are going to knead this for about 40 minutes and then we can proceed. It should be between 25 to 40 minutes for you to get that perfect dough. Now we are done kneading the dough. This is what we have. Just look at how smooth, soft and perfect it is. We covered it and then waited for 40 minutes, and it has increased in size. It depends on the weather at your end, or the temperature at your end. Okay, the day I was making this, it was very hot. We were at 106 Fahrenheit, so it was very hot, so it didn't take time for it to rise. Now I've divided it into two and making sure I take out the air from it, and then I will just cut them or divide them into sizes, and then I will show you what next. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. If you want short videos, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts. Okay, we share recipes in a very short form. Not everyone will get time to watch the long form video, so follow us there as well, so that when we upload the recipe, you can watch them. Usually it's a minute or less than a minute duration. Okay, after that I will pick one, roll it, use my roller to roll it, and then add some cinnamon to it. We always want the cinnamon, and I think about 99.9% of my customers, they like the cinnamon. Okay, it's only one person who said he doesn't, but apart from that, everyone likes the cinnamon. So just like this, and then we are good to go. That day I made about 12 bread, and I decided to share this with you. Okay, because not everyone who will be preparing 12 breads at home, so I'll be bringing you the one I did, the one that I did. Okay, the 12th one, I'll be bringing it very soon. I'll be sharing with you 8, I'll be sharing with you 7, 6, so that if you want to make 7 of that, it will be easy for you. Now we will keep this in a warm place for some time, or till it increases in size, and then we can bake it. This is how it looks after 1 hour. And I am just going to put this in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit till it is brown. I believe you understand it. So I will just go ahead and then cover it. There was a day that I prepared bread, and it didn't even take an hour. It took like 15 minutes, and it was ready for me to bake. The weather was hot. Oh God. Yes, so it depends on the weather. Now I am done baking this, and just look at that. Absolutely good. Very soft. Very, 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 very soft. I couldn't open it for you that day, okay, because I told you I was doing this for some people. I have 12 others. Yes, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.